wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, wet mob, put that shit on the mob.
What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 eyes, back in the mob museum, man. You know what I'm saying? Whole nother unboxing on deck. Finna bust this joint open. Before we do, gotta get that major shout out and salute to all my OGs, youngest day ones, and new members alike, broski. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate the love, ain't nothing but a whole bunch of appreciation. We made up a whole new word, bro. It's called support and appreciation. Yeah, but ain't nothing but a whole bunch of that going on. You know what I'm saying? It's appreciation. With if you hit the like button on this video, if you mobbing already, if not, hit that thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Notification bell, all the gadgets and gadgets. You know what I'm saying? Press that shit. For real, straight up. Help your boy out, man. I'm just trying to hit 50K by the end of the year, bro, and I appreciate if you subscribe, man. Help your boy hit these goals. But yeah, I ain't gonna talk y'all head off too long. Hope y'all enjoying y'all day to day. It's raining like crazy my way, you know what I'm saying? Over here on the East Coast. But yeah, broski, let's get into this box, man. Straight from the Pokemon Center. Hey, rainy day Pikachu on the rainy day, bro. Y'all stay tuned for the B-roll, man. I'ma take my time try to get a couple dope shots of rainy day Pikachu in the rain. And like I said, this actually comes from the Pokemon Center, so we're gonna see how it came, shipped and all that. Try not to hit my box in there. But yeah, man. I already got a lucky day with Pikachu. It's downstairs. And this up next. The rainy day. What day did I order this joint? We got a receipt from the Pokemon Center right here. Item, rainy day with Pikachu. It just got the order ID and the SKU number and all that. But this how it came. Shipped. Check it out, bro. Y'all see that? Matter of fact, let me get my ugly self out the way. Check out Pika in there. Came with this bubble wrap in the box. Here goes the figure. Not bad looking at all. Check it out, dog. Pretty good, man. Box ain't in bad condition. Look like it's almost open already for me. On the back of the box it says, hold on, let me see if it will focus on that. Get this light on it too. Back of the box it says, get away for a day with Pikachu each month. Join Pikachu as it explores a year's worth of adventures. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Hold on to that sunny day. Pikachu is soaked, but holding on to a sunny cast form dog as it hopes for brighter days. Man, we all can hope for brighter days. This is definitely right on time, man. R.I.P. to Nip. You know what I'm saying? Hope his family staying strong out there. I don't know them folks a little bit, but just descendants hope for brighter days. It felt appropriate to say, man. Shout out to all the Nipsey Hussle fans, man. I really feel for his fans. Back to it. Catch your own bit of sunshine with a rainy day. Pokemon figure by Funko. And Pokemon Center while you can. They won't last long. You dig? I don't know if they still on the PokemonCenter.com. You can check. You know what I'm saying? For anybody who interested, I hope they are, so you can get you one. But yeah, broski. Side of the box. Bottom of the box. All the goodies and specifics. Let's get up in here, bro. It's already open from the top for me a little bit, so I usually like to open it at the bottom, just cause I seen all the OG Funko collectors open their pops from the bottom, but this one already open at the top, so slide it open like so. Got a card in here, show you what's next up. Let me zoom in on it real well. Not zoom in, but get the focus right. Say get away for a day with Pikachu. 12 figures to collect at PokemonCenter.com. Blooming Day Curiosity May is next. Sweet days are here. June. That's what's gonna follow up. Got some more figures, mugs, pens, all that Pokemon Center stuff back there. You can check out the Pokemon Center yourself if you're interested, but yeah, man. Dang. I should have took this to the unboxing table, bro. It would have been way dope if I'd have did it on the unboxing table, but I guess we'll do it on out of the box. We always got out of the box, right? We'll bring back the unboxing table on out of the box. But check out the figure real quick, broski. In my hand, I don't want to take up y'all time too long. It is super cool. Got the grass with the rain dropping. You know what I'm saying? The water is translucent. He is holding that cast form. The paint job not perfect, but hey, it is what it is. Look like a little bit of dust was on his head too. But yeah, man. Check out his tail and all that. Got him a little poncho, man. Got him a little raincoat. Poke Center wrist strap. You see cast form right there. Is it blurred out? Can y'all see? Yeah, get it back on him. But yeah, man. Rainy Day Pikachu, broski. That's him. I'm gonna get up out of here. Get up out of y'all hair. End it off with a little bit of B-roll, man. You know what I'm saying? I see y'all on the next one. Please hit that subscribe for your boy. For all my sneaker folks, I'm sorry. Do not leave the channel, man, because I got some sneaker content coming. Got a good bank on the way for y'all, broski. Mob, y'all stay all the way up for my family to yours. Peace.